If you're working in Microsoft Word, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily save a Word file in your Microsoft Word document. So if you're working within the Microsoft Word and you have a document that you want to save, you can go about doing this three ways. And the first way how to go about doing this is by clicking the save icon on the upper right hand side, and you will see as I hover over it, it says Control and S, and that will lead you into the second way. So three ways, as I mentioned. You can click on this save icon here and it will take you into save as, and you can choose your location where you want to save it. So you have this PC and you can go through the file structure here, or you can browse your computer to where you want to save it. So let's say I want to save this into my documents. I can do so, and I can go ahead and I can change the name of the file. You can go ahead and you can change the name of the file. At the moment you see that it's saying the extension as ODT, you can easily change that to a Word document. So you can simply come here under the drop down under the save as type, and you can change this to a Word document, to a docs, and then you can rename the file to whatever you want. So you can go ahead and you can rename this as test, and you can just go ahead and hit the save. So I'm not going to save it at the moment. I'm going to show you the other ways. Now if you go back to the document, as I mentioned, there are two other ways. You can click file as well, and you can click and save, or you can click and save as. What is save? If it's the first time you're saving the document and you click on save, it will automatically move you to the save as section, because this save as simply means that you're going to save a fresh document. And if you already have an existing document and you want to make a save of a separate copy, you want to use the save as option as well to save that document, right? So once you click on save as, you can go ahead and you can choose wherever you want to save it, and you can easily go ahead and do as I said before, save the document in the location that you want. And the final way that you can go ahead and save a document, as you might already saw before, is by simply pressing Ctrl and S. So if you press Ctrl and S, it will take you into the save as option that allow you to save the document. Now I'm going to show you how it works with save and so forth. So I'm going to go ahead and save this document. So I'm going to click on browse, and I'm going to click on my documents here, or I'm going to click on my desktop rather, and I'm going to save this document as test, and I'm going to change the file type to Microsoft Word document or docs, and click and save. Now my document is saved. So I'm going to make a changes to this document. Now let's say I'm going to make this bold, right? And if I want to save this document to the same location, and I want to, let's say, save this copy, all I have to do is just press Ctrl and S, and this document will be saved. Right now, let's say I want to go ahead and save a brand new copy or a separate copy of this document by simply modifying. Let's say I want to remove some parts of the document like that, and I'm going to go ahead and let's say add some bold in here, or some colors or whatever it might be to this document, and I want to save a new copy of this document. How I can go about doing that to save a new copy is by simple go ahead and click on the file again, then click on save as, and I can choose the location. I'm going to choose desktop, for example, and I'm going to rename this as test2. So as I said, for save as, it allows you to save a brand new document, and it also allows you to save a separate copy of the document if you want to make multiple copies or multiple save of different version of that document. So I'm going to save this as save as test2. I'm going to leave it as a Word docs, and I'm going to click on save. Now I'm going to go ahead and close out of this document, right? And as you can see on my desktop here, I have the two copies. I have the first one, which is the test, which is that original one with just the one bold letters there, and the second copy of test2 is the second version of that Word document that I have modified and saved. So that's how you can easily go ahead and save Word document within Microsoft Word. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.